How are you? I think you all are fine. So, I am going to do a ENV lesson for you. The lesson is Plants in Our Life on page number 29. Now we will see what are the objectives of this lesson. Animal products and plant products. About trees. About shrubs, herbs and flowers. About vegetables and fruits. Uses of plants. Plants in our life on page number 29. There are two types of products: animal products and plants products. Animal products and plants products. Animal products. Now I am going to talk about animal products. What is the animal products? Animal products are coming from the animals. So kids, we will see what are the animal products, right? Eggs, milk, meat and cheese. Eggs, milk, meat and cheese. These are animal products. Next one is plants products. So, plants products are coming from the plants. Then kids, we will see what are the plants products. Corn, potatoes, orange, apple, corn, potatoes, orange, apple. These are plants products, right? Then kids, on page number 29, you have to draw your favorite fruit or flower. After that, you can color it nicely. Plants. Kids, plants are most important thing in the world because they provide food and beverage, they provide oxygen, healthy air, we can make furnitures, we can make medicine. So, kids, we should protect our plants. We can see there are different kinds of plants around us. Now, time to learn about them, okay? First one is trees. Big plants are called trees. They are very big and very strong. Trees can live many years. Now, I am going to show some trees. Now you can see mango tree, jack tree, nar tree and coconut tree. Mango tree, jack tree, nar tree and coconut tree. Kids, on page number 30, you can see some exercise. Now, I am going to tell what are they. First one is coconut tree. What? Coconut tree. Second one, jack tree. What? Jack tree. Third one, maple tree. What? Maple tree. Next one is shrubs. Small plants with woody stems are called shrubs. Then stem is very weak. Now I am going to show some shrubs. Okay, then you can see hibiscus, jasmine, orchid and rose. Hibiscus, jasmine, orchid and rose. Third one is herbs. Small plants with thin stems are called herbs. Herbs also very valuable plants in Sri Lanka. So little kids, now I am going to show some herbs. Mint, curry leaves and cinnamon. Mint, curry leaves and cinnamon. Fourth one is flowers. Some plants have flowers. They are very colorful. Flowers are small plants. You know, they have nice smell. Now I am going to show beautiful flowers. Now you can see Rukattana, rose and temple flower. Rukattana, rose and temple flower. Kids, on page number 31, you can see some exercise. Shall we do it? Look, first question. Which flower do you like the most? Which flower do you like the most? So kids, what is your favorite flower? Now you can write it. Second one is name some flowers that have a pleasant smell. Name some flowers that have a pleasant smell. Then what are the flowers that have pleasant smell? For an example, we can take jasmine, rose, like that. Then third one is name some flowers with bright colors. Name some flowers with bright colors. For an example, we can take rose, orchid. Fifth one is vegetables and fruits. Now I am going to talk about vegetables. Vegetables. Some plants give us vegetables. That is a little gift from the nature to humans. So kids, vegetables have so many nutrients. Then we will see what are the vegetables. Now you can see beetroot, lady's finger, cucumber, beans and brinjals. Beetroot, lady's finger, cucumber, beans and brinjals. On page number 31, you can see some exercise. First question is, which of these vegetables do you like? Which of these vegetables do you like? Then kids, you can see some vegetables on the book. So, among them, what are the vegetables do you like? Second question is, Which ones do you not like? Which ones do you not like? Among them, what are the vegetables do you not like? Fifth one is fruits. Some plants give us fruits. Fruits also give us to so many nutritions. Then kids, if you want to be healthy, you would eat fruits every day. So, we will see what are the fruits. Okay, now you can see banana, mango, apple, grapes and pineapple. Banana, mango, apple, grapes and pineapple. On page number 32, you have to do some exercise. First one is name some fruits. Then you can write your favorite fruits. Second one is 3 kinds of leaves that we eat. 3 kinds of leaves that we eat. What are the leaves that we can eat? Then third one is 2 kinds of flowers that we eat. 2 kinds of flowers that we eat. Then what are the flowers we can eat? Now I am going to talk about uses of plants. Now we will see what are the uses of plants. Now I am going to show them. We can take for decoration from the flower plant. We can make hearts. We can get spices for essence. We can make boat. We can get fruits to eat. And we can make furniture. So, kids, plants are valuable thing our life. Kids, on page number 34, you have to do some activities. Look, first one, you have to match, right? Then second one, you have to write true or false. Third one, you have to write answers. So, I think you can do it very easy. The lesson is over. So, kids, I think this lesson is enjoyed you very well. Bye bye. Stay safe.